Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so I have not been filming for a while and I just wanted to start filming again. So yeah, here is my tutorial on how to use the Too Faced Gingerbread Palette. And if you heard a weird noise in the background, don't worry, I just had a new baby, so it's just a little swing. But yeah, so let's get started. So now we're gonna go in with our gingerbread latte, and this is a really good color for a transition shade if you're using those warm shades like I am. We're just blending that in with a blender brush. And now we're just gonna use our MAC 217 brush, and we're just gonna put that all in our crease. And we're just gonna blend all that out so there's no harsh lines. So now we're gonna go in with our fig pudding color, and it's like a pretty purple. And we're also gonna pack that into the crease. I don't show it here, but I really pack this color on into my crease area. So on the next clip you should see it like intensified, and it's just because I did a lot of blending. And so now I'm getting that orange shade again, and I'm just buffering out the purple so that it's not harsh as well. And now we're gonna cut our crease. I used the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm in light sand, so I just use that to cut my crease with a small little Morphe brush. I also made these clips longer just because I wanted to talk and just say I'm gonna start doing videos like this more, just because my life is more hectic now, and you know, now I have 2 kids and taking care of a baby is really hard. My husband works nights, so it's just me. Yeah, so I'm gonna start making videos more. If you guys have any suggestions, just let me know and I'll be glad to make that. So right here we're just really using like a nice little angled brush, and that's just to get more detail for the cut crease. Now I'm just gonna get like it's like a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pack on that purple color again just to intensify it. So we're just gonna get this flat shader brush and we're just gonna pack on this color. And now we're getting our MAC pigment, and this is in the color Naked Lunch, I believe, and I sprayed it with a Fix Plus. And if you guys hear noise in the background, like I said, I am a mother and I have a 4-year-old, so he comes and pops his head out from time to time. So now we're just getting a concealer brush and we're just packing on that Naked Lunch. And now I'm just softening out that outer corner so it's not so harsh. And we're also making sure that the Naked Lunch blends into the purple color. And getting a smaller definer brush, and I'm just adding on that purple again, just so you can really see it and it stands out. Now we're getting our Makeup Forever primer, the smoothing primer, and I'm just putting it in all the places you can see my pores. Now we're getting our Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is a really good full coverage drugstore foundation. I really recommend it. If you're on the dry side, just make sure you use a hydrating primer, or you can use Fix Plus, just a good hydrator. And we're just gonna use our Shape Tape and blend it out with our Beauty Blender. Now we're getting our Lancome Long Time No Shine powder, and we're using it to set our under eyes, my nose, my forehead. I'm extremely oily, so I need that powder. That powder is a really good setting powder. We're getting our Too Faced bronzer. We're just bronzing up our face. Gotta bronze up that forehead because I need it. Now we're just gonna buff it away with a buffer brush. I love this brush, and I'm just using it to buff out my powder. Now we're getting our Too Faced blush. I just realized that I'm using a lot of Too Faced products in this video. I didn't even realize that. It was totally unintentional too. Now we're going in with our Anastasia highlighter, and we're just using our Morphe highlight brush. Just contouring. Obviously, these voiceovers are always so funny because we obviously know what I'm doing, but I just gotta announce it, you know? Now we're getting our They're Real mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. It's really good, and it separates my lashes amazing. Now we're getting our Kiss eyelashes, and they're in the style Opulence. Now we're getting that Gumdrop shade, and we're putting it in our lower lash line with that same little Morphe smudger brush, or definer brush, I guess I should say.
Here we go.
And this is completely a totally different look than what I was actually going for. In this clip I didn't show it, but I'm using that same dark purple and I'm just blending that underneath my eyes. So yeah guys, this completes a look. I added a Nars lipstick and I think it's called Save the Queen. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'll see you guys in my next video.